Hola, hola. I know very what time part from the job. I was in a situation I was working on something and it's going to be not. Yeah, ये जब तक चीज़ वाला जो है तब तक मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा स्टॉप करने वाला हूँ आज on my Insta page. Follow no kind of a long whatever. You will get it on that. I have been बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है to be honest. So I have always done that, always supported, always ordered it. So yeah, I think it's to a place with compassion. But if you don't have it, then it's need. Also, right now, somewhere I have worked, like कुछ थोड़ा काम वगैरह है उसकी तरफ. I'm going there, and I also got to know my friend is also doing that. I'm going there. Very good guy, but I don't think he will talk for camera shy. I want my friend a camera shy. If any one of you wants to come to the talk, please comment करो मुझे मैसेज करो आई विल गेट बैक टू यू बहुत जल्दी मैं मैसेज कर देता हूँ टू बी ऑनेस्ट तो या आई वाज डूइंग स्टफ दैट्स व्हाई मैं काफी बार मैसेज नहीं कर पा रहा था बट अभी भी यार अभी आई एम फ्री तो यार ट्रस्ट मी बस बस मैसेज करो एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू एंड हैव अ लॉट and I will tell you why I was not working on my job that much. In the end of the blog, you have to sleep your forex. So please, if not, and then Hola, welcome back. So I'm currently heading to a garden और मेरे दोस्त को टाइम जाएगा एंड मेरा काम हो चुका है. You know where's the people I got from you? See, does look good, very good, like very good to be honest. I'm currently in garden. Also, I'm shooting in one of my gifts from my very dear friend. This is also gift. So, yeah, people are so generous and so welcoming to be honest. On YouTube, तो बहुत मैं अभी कुछ दिनों से vlogging भी नहीं कर रहा था. So there were many people, like many people who were like, Rakesh, please do it. Don't be like, and I was like, मैं थोड़ा busy कर रहा हूँ, life में कुछ इतना नीचे चल रहा था. तो इस वजह से मैं नहीं कर रहा था vlogging. But from here I am now. Look at me, starting re again. I'm finding a place to sit, but I can't find a place. Because that's life. Sometimes you can find a way, sometimes you can't find a way. So I think this vlog will be a life lesson on this. I also don't know. बस मन में आज थोड़ा ज्ञान देने का तो आपको पकाने के लिए हाजिर हूँ. There are so many people staring. All I just want is to share. Okay, I got it there. Hopefully clean, not dirty. But clean to be honest. Very clean. So let's talk now by I was like not there are so many pros and all here if you can see the beauty first. Like really see the beauty, yeah. So I'm waiting for him. पता नहीं उसका काम कब तक होगा. बट अच्छी जगह पर है सॉन्ग बहुत शांत है बहुत ज्यादा ही शांत काम ही कर दो मेरे को ऐसी जगह चाहिए थी स्टूडियो में और चल रहा है लाइफ तो दैट काइंड ऑफ गाय जो दूसरों को परेशान करे बट आई एम द थेरेपिस्ट एंड नॉट द फ्रेंड हु सीक फॉर थेरेपी तो आई गेस फाइनली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाई आई वाज नॉट ब्लॉगिंग क्यों मैं ब्लॉग नहीं कर रहा था मैं एक्चुअली आई वांटेड because this is something I wanted in my life to be like forever. I was I was wishing, I was manifesting it for a long time that मैं vlog करूँ, मैं at least shoot करूँ खुद को. But at some point in my life, it was one of my insecurities that I can't be on camera. But आजकल मजा आता है. I have worked on it, like literally very hard. Those who know from me a long time, like बहुत पहले से आप जानते हो मुझे. So I have worked a lot, and some people have said I didn't. So I have worked a lot, and yeah, look at me. So I was busy with work. Let's get back to the topic. So I was busy, very busy to be honest. Busy to the point that I was not even having meals. That's the saddest thing in my life. Because if you know me, I don't like skipping meals, and I don't like if anyone even like close to me skips meals. I'm very angry. Like I get very angry easily about that stuff. Food is something I believe we shouldn't mess with because it's something which enrich your body. बहुत अच्छे से तुमको nourish करता है. So you shouldn't skip meals. And I was skipping. Oh, it was. Oh my god, this angle is must up. I will shoot in this angle. So yeah, it was very much like बस चल रहा था. I was not living to the point that I lived usually. I'm a very happy soul because I love being around people. I love meeting new people. I love being talking to people. I love getting pampered. That's the favorite thing I think. So yeah, but or at that point I was just living my life to a point that I burst out on things that were not even necessary for me. I don't want to shoot this, but I have to. I think you all deserve explanation at least. Also, I don't believe in saying goodbye without any explanation, and that's the worst thing you can do. Even if you are in a relationship, friendship, or in a casual talking stage, please never do it. It hurts a lot. It can mean a lot of things. Misunderstanding can lead to anything if this happens. So yeah, please always explain to the right people, not to the wrong people. Never explain to wrong people. So those people won't listen to you. That's what I did. I didn't listen. I didn't told them. I didn't told them ऐसा नहीं, but I didn't explain myself to that much. I was just accepting. So here I am, without any job right now. And it's very hard in a boy's life to skip job and be on his own after he have done so many things. So yeah, but मेरे को appreciation नहीं मिला. I was not getting appreciated for any of my work, which was very paranormal for me. Like it was not normal for me. बहुत ज़्यादा ही बोलते हैं ना अजीब, very. disturbance stage to be honest. Because I have never been in that like stage. मेरे को हमेशा से क्या बोलते appreciation मिला है कि no you are doing even if I'm doing wrong work people do say I'm do say that I'm doing wrong so yeah I get that I felt that but they were not saying it so yeah that's the explanation I was very busy with work and I was also working on this my project which is going to launch on 22nd of August. Oh, August, no, September. Sorry for my delay. 22nd September. So please note it. Be present on my stuff. Do follow me because I will be posting there. It's a very important project in my life. For people. I can't understand people that why they even do have the dignity to roll eyes on someone who is just shooting himself. Like, please walk by, no? Don't look. Like, even if you're looking, don't roll your eyes. Like, what the heck? Come on. Haven't seen someone this cute. Okay, let's get back to the topic. I'm launching that on 22nd of September. I am like, what you say, announcing about its launch today on my Insta page. So do follow me. By the time this video gets in YouTube, it will be my page only. So yeah, please go and check out. Wow. I will drop down something about that here or somewhere. So please to go and check out. Also in the description, I will paste the link of my page. I guess. Yeah, it does have a page. Obviously, it does have. It is made by me. Come on. नाउ लेट्स वेरी सैड सैड हो गया थोड़ा रोना धोना बंद करते हैं और पार्क घूमते हैं देखते हैं कैसा है पार्क लेट्स गो so let's roam around a little bit and also I met a few people like I was like in this what you say stranger meetup or getting to know so unknown people and all. I actually found very pretty people there very good people to be honest with you just like that. Oh wow. I want to go up there, but I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I did met a few people, and those were the amazing people I can ever meet. But मजा आया उनके साथ actually. That was just one night क्योंकि वो ये था night party type का था, and it was very good to be honest. I love them. So I never met people who are this kind to some strangers. Oh my God, look at that view. बोला तो अभी जैसे मैं मेट्रो से उतरा हूँ एंड करंटली हेडिंग टू माय कॉलेज और मेरा लेक्चर है अभी 5-10 मिनट में एंड मेरे को काम है तो आई विल बी गोइंग लेट लाइक बाय 3:30 बस मुझे ऑफिस जाना है एक बार मिलना है उनसे कुछ बात करनी है तो आगे ब्लॉग में पता चलेगा दैट विल बी अ लॉन्ग ब्लॉग और बहुत टाइम है उसमें अभी तो यू गाइस हैव टू वेट बट हाँ currently I'm headed बहुत थोड़ा थक तो गया बट आई हैव few works to also do. So hopefully we will all speak with. Abhi के लिए फिलहाल के लिए bye bye.